Have you ever wondered about old-timey cough remedies? Well, Bayer once pitched the ultimate solution: heroin. Yes, you heard right. Why bother with honey and lemon when heroin was on the table? Bayer's heroin, because nothing cures a cough like, well, just forgetting you ever had a cough to begin with. It was marketed as non-addictive, because obviously, when you think of heroin, non-addictive totally comes to mind, right? Turns out, heroin might be a little addictive. Who would have thought, huh? Next time you're reaching for cough syrup, just be thankful it's not heroin. Progress, folks. From heroin for your cough to maybe let's not. Hit like if you prefer today's cough syrup and subscribe for more quirky historical facts.